is none other than Lion MJF Bernard Kakushchire. He was born on 30th August 1969 in a place called Bumbire, Igara, in Bushenyi district, where he still lives and actually wants to retire after this work.
So, I have never missed, I think, I was a bit surprised because we rarely talk. In fact, I talk with your husband more than either he's the one who told me to call me. But, and Sison, thank you for the few lies you talked about me. But I'm a zone chair, I'm no longer president. That is a big lie. And I'm a PMGF, no longer MGF. But that is the small thing. We are here in service. I'm happy to be here. Sincerely happy to be. And also, I'm a very proud Lion and happy to be Lion. To be the happiest person, because if you manage to finish to have a club and you end your tenure and the club has not collapsed in your hands, you should. Someone should help us celebrate, not after here. You should arrange a special celebration for her. It is not easy. There are some people who have become Lions, they became presidents, after handing over, they don't come back. But here you might also be having them, because when they said, you are 12 years, when they said all the former presidents, I saw about 4. Others might have gone into what? No longer in the dead. But let me, before I do my proper address, let me do what brought me here. I would want to Lions so that when I'm addressing the Lions, even the new ones are what? Are the intending Lions. Who is the club secretary?
I'm here.
Can you call me the intending Lions so that I do the first work so that everyone becomes a Lion and I'm able to address the Lions properly?
Who has been acting as the club secretary in the outgoing cabinet. Our guest of honor and fellow Lions, we have 2 new Lions who are joining our Lions Club of Kisoro. We are happy and I'm very proud to introduce to you. And the first Masoni, the sponsor is Lion MUGISHA.
Lion MUGISHA
is the sponsor
stand behind him.
Lion Faustin Masoni.
Membership in the club is a very big privilege. You come for meetings, you must pay subscription, you must attend activities, you are not just a volunteer that I will go whenever I want. So volunteerism can only come during the training, but when you become a Lion, you are no longer what? A volunteer. And some people came for an activity, don't say I'm unable to come, at least send someone, send a friend at least standing for you. And I'm happy that you have a wife whom if I had ever would that time when she was almost ready, you didn't invite her properly. The fellowship of some of the finest people in your community, finest people. You have seen the DHO here, you have seen the policeman here, the honorable is here. These are the people you interact with when you are a Lion. You no longer hide behind the scenes, you will be referred to as Lion. And even among your titles, before your name, they put Lion, so and so. Having heard about the community of Lions, and since you have expressed the desire to become a member of the Lions Club of Kisoro International, I now ask you that you respond to the following with I do or I will. Still, and Haj who is not yet here, you respond on his behalf. Hereby accept membership in Kisoro Lions Club, knowing that by becoming a member, you are obligated to participate in all club functions to the best of your ability. Okay. Attend meetings, accept committee assignments, and contribute your share to the programs of your club, your district, and Lions Club International.
I will do.
I will.
Attend meetings, accept committee assignments, and contribute your share to the programs of your club, your district, and Lions Club International.
I will do.
I will.
And Lion Club. As the sponsors of these people, you have a number of obligations to them and the club that you will ensure that they become responsible Lions, they fulfill their responsibilities, you introduce them to other members and other activities of the club with information about the club, its officers, and the organization beyond this club. See to it that your new member is assigned the appropriate committee and ensure that she becomes an active member within that orientation session, because what you did was not enough. Part of the orientation is in the activities. Act as a mentor and answer any questions that your new member might have. Encourage your new member to discuss issues they might your new member in any possible way and develop so that he or she develops into an outstanding Lions. Sponsors, are you going to do that?
Yes, I will. Say it.
Okay. One of the things that I expect of you, we are in the season of enjoying as Lions. Make sure that when they are going to wait for a year to see some serious things, then it will take longer. And now go back behind your heart. Today are you Lions of Kisoro? Lions. And I know you finished most of the things about 2 days ago. The president has told me she just reported to you yesterday. Your kids are not yet here. But I couldn't come without the kids because you have to wear something on the streets of Kisoro so that they see that you are the Lion. So, the Lion. Lions of Kisoro, after they have peace them, and I want them to stand up and welcome you. I want to see how you welcome new members.
Face the other side. He has also pinned you his own.
Yes.
That is the form of the sponsor.
Yes. Can you face the other side so that the
People are already there. Faustin.
You are welcome in the Lions Club of Kisoro and your own.
Very good. Lions and the guests, these are some of the terms we hear. A tail twister. You know the tail. The mukele. Let me start with the tema. The tema, officially, you are like an MC at any function of what? Of your club. You will be in charge of and responsible for club's property, including the banners I see around. You are like the custodian, and you are the one who is to make sure that whenever you are having a meeting where you are going to meet is clean, people have drinks, you see how to work with the president, check whether that is possible. But you are responsible for the ambience of the place where you are going to have activities or even your meetings. You are to assist the past presidents as the official leader, who couldn't say one to just greet them. Always you have to welcome them, introduce all guests, and see that the process provided for them are according to their what? Their ranks. Will you perform these duties to the best of your knowledge and ability?
Yes, I will diligently do it.
Yes. Ryan Robin Museveni, can you put your cap down? Thank you. Ryan Robin Museveni, your club chose you to be a tailor twister. I saw many years in Ryanism. The tailor twister should be the happiest person, and the minister of happiness in the club. When we are still in primary school, we will be called a class monitor. And you know, they usually choose class monitors from the most stubborn pupils. And what I have seen in a few minutes, the club chose the right person. Not that he's very stubborn, but I think he can manage it up. So, your work is to make sure that when things are not going okay, you make sure that they appear to be okay.
Yes.
And when they appear to be okay, you make sure that they remain okay and things go back to normal. You are not like the class monitors who write our names and go and report what we have done. You are supposed to check what people are doing and are not supposed to be done. You give them some little punishment, little fines, like a small box of sweets so that you distribute others, fining them like 1,000 shillings. You get it? Or making them dance on one leg. If they still can. That is your work. And a happy Ryan will do a lot of things for the success of the what?
The club.
You are the minister for happiness in Kisoro Ryan's club. Not only in Kisoro Ryan's club, when you move around, show people that you are a Ryan and invite them. You are 29 people and you are 12 years old as a club. I will talk about it later. I need next time when we are coming here to do the thing. I never miss Kisoro. I want that you should be double the number so that we double the services to our community. Will you do what I have told you? Yes, I will do. Thank you. Stand there. Don't go out.